Hi, you are with Learned Prerana to watch another video on sometime, and sometimes. While they appear very similar, sometime, and sometimes have slightly different meanings. Try and guess the right option for the following. Rani dash feels that she would learn biking dash and go for a ride alone for dash at least. The options are given there: sometimes, sometime, or sometime. You may feel a bit confused now. By the end of the video, you will be able to answer without any hunch. Now, let's get into the topic. Sometime. Sometime refers to an unspecified point in time. It is an adverb and is synonymous with someday, one day, or sooner or later. Let's see an example. I'll get around to finishing that book sometime. I'll visit Haridwar sometime in the future. Here I am talking about when I will finish the book and when I will visit Haridwar. I am optimistic that I will do these things one day in the future. Everybody understands him sometime. This is another example. Actually, we can replace sometime with someday. I'll visit Haridwar someday. Everybody understands him someday. They will meet sometime. They will meet someday, hopefully. I shall buy a car someday. I hope we shall overcome our difficulties sometime. Now, let's see sometime. 2 words. This is a noun phrase. Some is an adjective describing the noun time. This expression means a period of time or quite a while. It refers to a span of time or a long time. Let's see a few examples. For some time, they were in Mumbai. For some time, they were in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about a span of time. It might be several years. For some time, humans have known that the world is round. Here we are saying that for many years, humans have known this truth. Another sentence. It may take some time to complete the project. This means it may take a long time to complete the project. Here we mean a span of time. The next one is sometimes. It is a one-word adverb that means occasionally or now and then. I sometimes have dinner outside. Here I mean occasionally. Sometimes they go for a walk in the morning. They have a get-together sometimes. This is a very simple one. We very often use this. Let's have a quick recap. We use sometime for unspecified point of time, sometime for a span of time, and sometimes is used in place of occasionally. I hope you will be able to answer the question now. Yeah, you are right. Rani sometimes feels that she would learn biking sometime and go for a ride alone for some time at least. With this, we conclude the video. Stay connected with Learned Prerana for easy learning. Thank you.